is not always fun and glory in hiking on the Appalachian Trail. Sometimes you just sit and watch the laundry roll around in the laundromat. So I'm here doing the laundry for myself and Late Start and Late Start's brother, who's been hosting us in his camper at this nice little laundromat in Fayetteville. It's a pretty nice day outside. It's a little bit chilly, so that's part of why we were taking a zero. Plus, we needed to heal. But Late Start's brother has a really nice camper, so we get to be in and out of the cold. We're at the Squeaky Clean Laundry Center in Fayetteville, Pennsylvania. And they're off doing a resupply run and getting us some lunch, I think. And I'm only here with one other person, so I don't want to film inside too much. But it's a nice laundry, not too expensive. And we're going to do the resupply and repack. And then tonight we're going to stay again in his camper. And tomorrow we head back to trail for about a 10-mile day. And that'll be day 4 for me in this set. We combined what would have been days 2 and 3 and did a 14+ mile day yesterday, and that kind of definitely wore us both out. So, my knee was bothering me a little bit yesterday too, so I'm glad we had a zero here with a trail angel in a camper where it was warm. Because it got pretty cold last night, and it's supposed to get cold again tonight. But then it warms up just a little bit, and there are, as you can see from the sky, there are no clouds anywhere to be seen. So we're supposed to have some really nice weather for the next 4 or 5 days, and we just have a whole set of 10-mile days broken up by a couple of stays at hostels and at a B&B. So I think we've done the 2 toughest days of this section hike in the last 2 days. So we're more like 10 miles a day roughly from here on out. And with a lot of little sights, it'll be interesting to share with you. So I hope you're having a good day today, and I'm going to go back in now and take care of the rest of our laundry.